Hey guys, welcome back to Trading with Sarah. If you're new to this channel, welcome. It is so nice to have you here. On this channel I make videos on trading and investing in cryptocurrency and a lot more other things. So in this video I want to show you guys a day in my life. I initially planned on making this video on Tuesday, Tuesday of next week, but I was just, I guess, too excited and just wanted to make this video to just see how it goes. Okay, so for this video I'm just going to show you guys what my Friday evening is going to be like, or what my Friday evening is like for today. Okay, so right now I'm currently staring at the chart. Well, I'm not staring at it, but I'm analyzing the chart of Bitcoin. Before that I was cooking. I'm still cooking, actually, almost done. And yeah, later today I'm gonna be going to see a movie, which I'm actually excited about. This whole day has just been a pretty chill, boring day, I would say. I feel like I didn't really accomplish as much. I didn't really do much today. All I did today was, I woke up in the morning, completed my whole morning routine, which is something I'm going to talk more about on the video that I'm making next week. Okay, so I'm still going to film a day in the life of a crypto day trader. I'm going to make a whole video where I walk you guys through my whole day. Okay, I'll make that video next week on Tuesday, so make sure you stay tuned to watch that video. Okay, subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, because you do not want to miss out on this. It's going to be amazing. All right, so yeah, in the morning I did my morning routine and all that, and then after that I had to go to work. I do have a part-time job that I do, so yeah, I went to that and worked there for a few hours. One thing I like about this job is that it's very relaxing. It allows me to actually do other things. Like, I can literally edit my YouTube videos, I can be reading my books, I can study, I can watch videos, watch movies, and so much more. So yeah, while I was at work, it was very unproductive. I didn't do much. Usually what I do there is I would be studying, or I would be like, analyzing the market, trading, or I would also be watching educative videos, or I would be reading. I'll be doing something productive. However, for today I didn't really do anything productive. Guess what I did? I essentially spent the last 3 hours trying to come up with a new name for my YouTube channel. Yes, 3 hours trying to come up with a name for my YouTube channel. It was so stressful. Okay, I wanted to change my YouTube channel. I've been wanting to change it. I've been wanting to change the name for the YouTube channel for a while, but I didn't know what kind of name to give it. So I just kept thinking, why did I want to change my YouTube channel? I believe that might be a question you may be asking. So let me just tell you guys right now. So my YouTube channel, before the name I have it right now, so the name before used to be Crypto in Action. Okay, that used to be the name a few hours today, but I changed it from Crypto in Action to Trading with Sarah. Now, why did I make that name change? Well, one of the reasons is because I want to eventually, in the future, I want to be making videos on all the type of trading, like trading forex or stocks. I don't want to just be focused on cryptocurrency, and I feel like the name Crypto in Action is just limiting me to just talk about crypto, right? And yeah, and I didn't like that. I'm like, this is not good. I want to also be talking about forex, stocks, because I recently got into forex as well. I've been learning about it and just practicing it and all that. So yeah, in the future I want to also be talking about forex, teaching you guys how to trade forex and all that, maybe stocks as well. I just want to have a lot of options of videos that I can make. I don't want it to just be focused on just crypto. Okay, so yeah, that's why I wanted to change my name, and it took me literally 3 hours to come up with this name, Trading with Sarah. You know, I had a lot of different ideas, but none of them sounded good, or you know, none of them just clicked in my head. So I figured Trading with Sarah is very simple, and it just basically shows you what this channel is about, and that name is going to allow me to make videos on trading forex, trading stocks, and trading crypto. Okay, so that's why I changed that name. And yeah, after spending 3 hours changing that name, then I started like working on the YouTube banner. You know, I was just basically rebranding everything. You know, when I went through all my social media, you know, IG, Telegram, and everything, I was just changing everything to that new name. That took some time. Okay, so that's what I did. That's how my whole morning was, you know, from 9 a.m. to like 2 p.m. That's how it was. Now, once I was done work, I came back home and I began cooking, and that's what I've been doing in the past 2 hours. I've been cooking, you know, doing some house chores like laundry and all that, and then now I'm making this video. That's it. And at the same time, I am, like I said, analyzing Bitcoin. I'm gonna walk you guys through one of my trades that I am currently in. So I'm currently looking at the Bitcoin chart here, and I want to first of all talk about the trade that I'm in, the Bitcoin trade I'm in, and also the Forex trades that I'm currently in. Okay, so let's start with Bitcoin. So for Bitcoin, I'm actually currently in a short. Okay, I'm in a short trade. I essentially shorted Bitcoin when I noticed that there was a lot of weakness in the market. Now, one of the things that showed me that there was weakness in the market was this double top here. This double top here was the first sign that I saw. Actually, it wasn't even this one. I would say the major. So there's two double top. So there's this big one right here. Okay, the one from here to here, that is a double top. So once I saw that, I'm like, okay, great, this is one bearish signal. Now the next thing I was waiting to see was for Bitcoin to actually break back outside of this yellow trend line. So I have this yellow trend line here, okay, the one that I'm pointing at. As you can see, Bitcoin was trading outside of it, back over here. So back over here, Bitcoin was trading outside of it, so that was bearish. And then a few days later, Bitcoin actually ended up breaking back inside that trend line, and this is what enabled the price to actually push higher. Now when the price pushed higher, it found resistance right along here around 30,000. Around 30,200. Actually managed to go all the way to 30,265. Okay, and it received massive rejection around there, and that's why we received this huge bearish candle, and it created this double top. Okay, so now what I was waiting to see was for the price of Bitcoin to break back outside of this trend line, okay, the yellow trend line, and then I would go and short it. Okay, so that's exactly what happened. As you can see here, the moment Bitcoin broke outside this yellow trend line, what happened? The price actually started dropping. So I actually entered my short right along here. Okay, so I entered my short here. You know, one of the other things that actually gave me higher confidence to actually short, okay, was this double top here. Okay, this mini double top here, you can see here. Yeah, so that's the other thing that gave me an even stronger like confidence to short the market, because this was like, there was no way the price was going to be able to bounce back up. You know, there's this mini double top, and then there's this large double top. Okay, so this was showing that the bears are in charge. So as soon as Bitcoin broke out of this yellow trend line, I went ahead and shorted it. Now, what time frame did I use to enter? Obviously, I didn't use the 4 hour, because if I used the 4 hour, I would have missed out on a lot of money right here, because after this 4 hour candle close, what ended up happening, the price actually started reversing back up, right? So I would have missed out on a lot of profit. So the time frame that I actually used to enter this trade was the 5-minute time frame. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys that right here. Let me go to the 5-minute time frame. Now my chart kind of looks messy and scary. As soon as I saw Bitcoin breaking out right here on the 5-minute time frame, this is the candle I entered from. Okay, I entered on that candle, and you can see the price just dropped massively, and then from there it started retracing. So this is sitting around the price of 29,650, I would say. So I showed a Bitcoin when it was at 29,650, and I am currently still in that short. Okay, my price target for this trade, I have 2 price targets. So the first one was at around 29,300. Okay, and Bitcoin actually already hit that price target. So it actually did. It went all the way down to 29,250. So I did take out some profit when that happened. And now my second price target is actually at around 28,800. This is where Bitcoin has a lot of support. So you can see that right over here. We have a lot of massive support right here between 28,600 and 28,900, I would say. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually drop all the way down to 29,800, and that's where my second take profit will be. Okay, so yeah, that's the trade I'm in, still in profit. Okay, and now let's talk about the Forex trade that I'm in. So I'm currently trading 2 Forex pairs. The first one is Euro USD, and the other one is Euro JPY. Okay, let's talk about the Euro USD first. So for the Euro USD, I decided to actually short it. I went ahead and opened a short position, which is currently in profit right now. And yeah, I entered this trade right when the price of Euro USD was around $0.95. Okay, so as soon as I saw this bearish engulfing candle here that broke out of this trend line, that's when I decided to open my short. And as you can see, the price actually is dropping. Okay, why did I enter this short? Well, the reason why I entered this short is actually because of the fact that I noticed that the price here actually broke this trend line. So Euro USD has been trading in this blue trend line here. Okay, I have the one in red, but I feel like the one in red is not that strong of a trend. The one that I'm mostly focusing on that I feel is very strong is the blue one, just because the price has touched that trend line multiple times. So it touched it over here, touched it over here, here, and then over here, as you can see, and then right over here. So this is where the price of Euro USD is currently at. It's actually on the trend line. But if you zoom out on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that the price actually broke that blue trend line. Okay, since the price broke it, this is actually bearish. It means that there's a chance that the price is going to continue to drop lower unless this is a false breakout. What the price is going to end up doing is to break back inside the trend line and then pump higher. So I am in a trade here, and I've set my stop loss above this previous high, which is sitting at around $1.09 and 75, I would say. Okay, between there and this one here, 83, $1.0983. Okay, so that's where I've set my stop loss. So if the price actually ended up breaking back above this, then I would get stopped out. But until then, I'm gonna remain in this trade. I have 2 price targets. The first one is sitting at around $1.08 and 99 to be precise, so around there. That's the first price target, and then the second price target is actually sitting at around, I have to go to the bigger time frame to be able to see that. So the second price target is actually sitting around right here, $1.0830. Okay, that's where we have some support. You know, the price could continue to drop all the way down to $1.07. So yeah, so I'm currently in that trade, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. The other trade I'm in is Euro JPY. Euro JPY has been pretty good to me because I am currently in a high profit from it, about 100 pips currently. So what position I entered here for Euro JPY? The position I entered here was long. I went long on Euro JPY as soon as I noticed that it broke this resistance here. Okay, so the resistance of 158.04, that was the major resistance for Euro JPY. As you can see, Euro JPY literally broke that resistance yesterday, and then since then it has been pumping up. So me, as soon as I saw this candle here on the 1 hour time frame closing above 158.04, I went ahead and longed it, you know, and I have been in a high profit. You know, I was all the way in 100 pips profit, but the price actually started reversing. I'm still in that trade, and I am predicting, okay, my price target for this trade is actually 163. That is my price target, so I'm going to continue to stay in this trade until the price gets there. One thing that might make me get out of that trade is if the price breaks below 157.80. okay, if it breaks below 157.80, then I might get out of that trade. Okay, the other thing I might do though, I might actually take out some profit here if the price actually breaks this support. So currently the price is holding this support between 158.55 and 158.65. okay, if that support gets broken, then I might take out some profit and then expect to re-enter when the price comes here. Okay, so yeah, that's the trade I am in, which are all going good. Hey guys, here at the movie with my sister. The movie hasn't started yet, but there's a lot of people
We
here
feasting already. At least I am.
I hope this movie is gonna be good. Have you guys seen this movie before?
What movie? Nah.
The movie that we're about to
I don't know
watch?
what movie we're watching though.
It says it right on the
It
screen
literally
right
says
there.
it.
Where?
It's
Oh,
on
you're
the
right
right
on
on
the
the screen over there. Don't you see
It
it?
said need snacks. Where's the movie?
Yeah, you're literally
it's gonna
blind.
come back.
You're literally
It's gonna come back.
You're actually,
Oh, then
you're
let me
actually
show.
blind. It's about time.
And just like that, the movie's over and I am now back at home. This is it for my day for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in the life of a crypto trader, day in the life of a forex trader video that I made. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I will be making another one of these videos on Tuesday, and in this video I will go more in detail about my entire day, how I spend my entire day from morning to night. So definitely stay tuned on Tuesday. Definitely come check it out. It's gonna be amazing. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I am about to go to sleep now because yeah, it's very late right now and I'm actually very tired. So anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are in the world. Enjoy your day or enjoy your night. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video.